Then finally we have imputing missing values. And imputing missing values is fairly easy, and that is impute. Okay, so under modify, so then you connect. So now you have to specify the method. So if you have interval variables, for interval variables you have several methods possible. Okay, and I'm going to just leave it as the default, which is mean. So if there's missing, then the missing will be replaced with a mean. Okay, which is not a good idea, and I've talked about the pros and cons of various imputation methods in the class lessons, so take a look at that. Okay, so that is for interval variables, and again class variables default method, so you can have, there are several, so I'm going to leave it at count. Another important setting that we have to look at is whether we want indicator variables for imputed column. So if there was imputed column, okay, so you want unique, because you want for each variable you want an indicator column which indicates whether the original value is kept or a value is an imputed value. So for each variable that was imputed, you will have an indicator variable. So then you run that. Okay, let's click OK, and let's look at the exported data where you can see the variables. I'm going to look at browse. All right, so here are the imputed columns. Okay, so where there were missing values, so here there are missing values, right? They have been imputed, right? And because they was imputed, so you have the imputed indicator column, where when the row has an imputed value, you have a 1. If the row does not have an imputed value, then it will have 0.